Do you get me? Because I got you. Hey everyone, Lexi here from EnglishWithLexi.com, and welcome to my virtual American English classroom. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use the expression I get you and I got you. So let's get to the video. Let's first start with the definition to get. To get is to have or to obtain, but in this situation, it's different. To get means to understand. So if you say, I get you, you are saying, I understand you. If you say, I got you, that means I understood you. The difference between those two are the tense. One is in past tense, got. One is in present tense, get. You can also say it in the negative. So, for the present tense, if you do not understand something, you can say, I don't get you. For the past tense, you can say, I didn't get you. For example, let's say your friend is teaching you something and they want to ask, do you understand me? If you understand, you can say, I get you. If you understood, you can say, I got you. Or if you don't understand, you can say, I don't get you. Or if you didn't understand, you can say, I didn't get you. Here is another example. Let's say a person is telling you a complicated story and they do not know if you understand their story. So they can say, do you understand me? And again, you can say, I get you, or I got you. There are other ways to say I get you. You can say I get you or I getcha. There are also other ways to say I got you, like I gotcha or I got you, or just gotcha, got you. Personally, I always use got you or gotcha. There is no big difference between using I get you and I got you. It's all about preference. Now, let's say you want to ask somebody if they understand you. You can say, do you get me? Now, let's say you want to ask if they understood you. You can say, did you get me? You see the difference? Do you get me is present tense. Did you get me is past tense. Okay, I have one more situation to explain, but it's only for I got you. You can say I got you when you want to say, yes, I can do that for you. For example, let's say a person needs your help and you can help. So the person says, hey, can you help me? You can respond, I got you. In this situation, I got you means, yes, I can help you. Do you get me? So, to clarify, to say I understand you, you can say I get you, I getcha, I get you. To say I understood you, you can say I got you, I got you, I gotcha, gotcha, got you. I know, it doesn't really sound like English, but it is. To say yes, I can do that for you, you can say I got you, I got you, I gotcha, got you, gotcha. All right, let's say all of these together. Getcha, get you, gotcha, got you. All right, everyone, I hope you got me. If you got me, say I get you. But if you still don't get me, watch this video again until you got me. See ya. Do you want more practice? Check out my other videos or go to www.englishwithlexi.com and schedule an appointment with me. Bye guys!